home of Elsa and Anna from Frozen.
Oh, that's right. It's just, look, you can see. It looks just like Arendelle, doesn't it?
Yeah, and we've got to find the troll's treasure, and I think I found a clue over here.
Okay, let's see.
Over there.
Oh, it's a troll. Look at him.
On the troll's head.
And Rubble's on
Rubble.
his... And look, he's got a pretty long nose, doesn't he? And he's got his cane.
Glad we found Rubble, though. Let's keep looking for the troll's treasure.
So, assistant, we're looking for Paw Patrol, right?
Right.
And we're going to be on top of this giant mountain and look way down below us. We're in a cable car.
I see our cruise ship.
I do too. It's way down there. Oh, and we're in Bergen, Norway. Look how high up we are. It looks like we're going to like fall out of here, doesn't it?
Yeah, we're at the very end.
Very much. So where are we at? Tell us about this.
We went up that giant cable car, and our boat's over there, and I see a cool fountain.
Well, what city are we in? What country are we in?
We're in Bergen, Norway.
Bergen, Norway. That's right. And right now it's summer, so it's daylight over like 21 hours a day, right?
Yeah.
Like last night, it didn't get dark till like almost midnight, and it was daylight again at 3 in the morning.
Yeah, it's pretty crazy, and it rains a lot here, but it's not raining right now.
We're very lucky, right? But we've got to find those Paw Patrol pups.
Put on gloves.
Should put on gloves. It is chilly up here, so let's climb up that way.
Up?
Yeah, we got to go up the mountain. All right. So we're going up.
We're allowed to go this way?
Yes, of course. There's lots of people up here. And this is where Paw Patrol is at. And I hear that there are goats up here.
Really?
Yeah, eventually I see him.
Look at this red. Marshall.
Grab it, Marshall. Good job. So we found Rubble and Marshall.
Okay, let's
here on top of the mountain.
Let's keep going up.
All right. We're near the top of this mountain.
Are the goats just roaming around here?
They must be.
Oh, there's a bench.
Wait a minute. You think there's anybody over there?
Over here?
Could be. Lots of people.
Everest!
It's Everest.
That makes sense because it's the top of the mountain.
That's right. She's like on ski patrol, right? Even though there's no snow up here.
We're in a troll's forest now. It's really cool in here, and it's super green. It reminds me of that one scene in Frozen.
All right, but we've got to see if we can find...
Where the trolls live.
That's right. This is where the trolls live.
Oh. Because, like, look at all the green.
It is so green through.
Oh, I bet something lives in there.
You think it's a troll hole?
I don't know if I'd put the camera that close.
Why, you think a troll's gonna reach up and grab me?
More like Peter Rabbit or something.
Peter Rabbit? Maybe.
Oh!
Oh, wait a minute, who's that?
It's... Hold on, I gotta get a better look. Is this Tracker?
It's Tracker, that's right.
Whoa! Okay, catch. Just kidding.
All right, so you got Tracker. So now we've got to keep looking in this
I
troll
wonder if
forest.
there's like secret buildings.
I don't know.
I'm gonna go up there.
All right. Assistant.
Yes. Up.
I think I see somebody over here by all this moss, but they're camouflaged. What member of Paw Patrol would be camouflaged in green? Camouflage means to blend in.
Look, right there.
It's Rocky.
Rocky.
Rocky's green, just like all this moss.
I'm surprised Rocky's here because it rains a lot.
I know. So, assistant,
Yeah.
moss grows in places where it rains a lot. That's why it's important that you said this is such a rainy place.
Yeah. I feel like I see a troll's house over there.
Okay. I think the path is this way.
Oh, okay. Made it.
Good job.
This way?
Yeah, I think so. So we gotta find those trolls. So we found a bunch of members of Paw Patrol, but we've not found the troll's treasure yet.
Yes.
Let's see. Maybe go along this path here?
Right here?
Yeah. Wait, assistant! Look!
I passed it. Chase!
Buried in all this moss.
We got you, Chase.
It's Chase. He was in the case of moss.
Yes.
That's right.
Okay.
So that's how you know it's a really rainy area, when you see all this moss.
I think we got everyone in the woods.
I think so. Did you think there was something up there?
There's a troll house.
Let's go look for it. So we're going to go up here and look for this troll house. Oh yeah, it does look like a troll house.
Oh. Obviously, it's been abandoned.
So do you think Branch lives there from trolls?
I don't think they're that kind of troll, but maybe.
Maybe. All right, let's keep going up. Let's see.
Or Sparkles.
Sparkle. Who is the main troll? Who is the...
Poppy?
Poppy, that's right. She was a good troll. Oh, I think I see another troll house up there.
That's really cool. Okay. Ooh, a platform. Oh,
It is. It's where the trolls do their dances.
platform. It's really slick. Oh,
I think you're supposed to do the gritty on it.
no. Whoa.
Oh,
Whoa.
whoa, you better be careful. It's like an ice skating rink for trolls, but out of...
Did you see that?
Oh, super cool.
I'm gonna fall.
You probably are.
Okay. I think we found everyone in this forest.
Well, maybe up a little bit higher. I see some more stuff. This is definitely a
Is it higher?
campground.
Up, up, up. Up.
Up we go. Maybe over there? We're getting higher.
Huh.
You see anything?
No.
Not even the goats.
No, I wish I could have seen the goats.
Me too.
Look how squishy.
It is. It's like peat moss, right? Wait a
They
minute.
look like houses.
I think you're right. These look like the rock trolls, don't they? When they're hiding.
That's definitely someone's house.
Wait, I see something right there.
Sky!
I think she had the same idea as you, assistant.
Yeah, but look under there. That's probably a really cozy house for somebody.
For a rock troll?
Sure.
Oh yeah, I bet you there is a troll that lives in there. Ooh. All right.
I think we found everyone in the woods.
I think so too. We need to keep looking for the rest of Paw Patrol and
Keep looking for the treasure.
keep looking for that treasure.
Some of the locals told us an old legend that trolls used to be on where the rocks stack up. And these rocks look pretty stacked up. So we're gonna go look around.
All right, so let's go on this trail. So this is another troll trail.
Yes.
All right. Ooh, it's all moss. You be careful, assistant.
Wonder if it's past that.
I don't think we go up that far. I'm pretty sure we can't go up that far. All right. Ooh. Can you fit through there?
Yeah?
Oh yeah. It's like a secret entrance.
Uh-huh.
All right.
I'm gonna keep going up.
Okay. Remember, some of these rocks might be trolls in hiding,
Yes.
right?
Keep going.
So you probably should tap on a few of them to make sure they're not trolls. Yeah, that would be a really, really small troll. All right, let's keep.
I'm using this as like the... Whoa, whoa.
Oh, it's slippery. Bergen is the wettest city in Europe. Right? We already talked about that.
Made it. Is like the air thinner up here?
No, we're almost at sea level.
Oh.
All right, let's see. Do you think this is a troll? No, I think it's a rock. Look at that sheer face.
Oh. Wait, Zuma.
It is Zuma. Whoa, he was just hanging out here all along.
Oh, had a nice view, but there's no water around, Zuma.
Yeah, that's right. Maybe we have to go down that way.
There? Here? Okay. There we go. Oh.
Good job.
Well, this rock is loose.
Oh, it is. Is it a troll?
No. Down here?
Yes, keep going. This looks like a troll hideout for sure. Whoa, assistant. You okay?
Yeah.
I'll definitely be careful walking over that now.
My shoe.
Oh, she got mud on her shoe. Well, there were always going to be collateral damage.
Where am I going?
You're looking for Paw Patrol.
Okay. Who haven't we found?
We've not found the treasure, and rumor has it Mayor Humdinger also was the one that was responsible.
Oh.
So we got to find the troll and the treasure. All right, I don't think we can go up that.
No, that looks pretty slippery.
Along the way, the assistant met this nice young lady who was working at a canoe rental shop. She showed the assistant some baby ducks, and she was able to feed them bread right out of her hand. Isn't that cool? We had so much fun in Norway, not only searching for Paw Patrol and the trolls, but with all the fun things we were able to do in nature, like feeding these baby ducks. But we still need to find that troll's treasure, so off we go.
You want to try Elsa?
We're deep in this troll's forest.
I feel like we're getting close.
We have to be. We found all the members of Paw Patrol. We fed some baby ducks. And now we got to find Mayor Humdinger and that treasure.
Whoa.
Here's a giant rock. Hey, tap it to see if it's a troll. Troll?
Wow, I can see a lot of things.
Oh yeah, it's a great vantage point.
Wait, down there. Mayor Humdinger.
It is Mayor Humdinger.
So that means all we have to find is the treasure.
That's right. He's looking that way.
Okay. Oh,
I think we should go.
okay, let's go.
Jump on down and lead the way.
We're gonna go up this rope and over there to try and find the treasure.
Okay, so we got to go up this.
Oh.
Sure is windy.
The wind's not helping me.
It's really windy,
Oh,
people.
this thing's steep. Whoa. Look how high up I am.
Whoa,
I can see like forever.
sweet.
Back up. Whoa. Back down. Oh no. Oh, it's slippery right here. Made it. Gotta jump down.
Good job.
Okay, let's go up.
Okay.
Okay. Made it up here. Oh,
Well, look, there's some trolls for sure.
yeah. I'll go up here.
All right. Just
Over here's a bridge that I think we should look at.
okay. So there's a bridge right here. Yep. So trolls live under the bridge.
Down there. We gotta go under.
Okay.
How do I get under?
I think there's a little path right here.
Right here.
Okay.
Am I going on it?
I think so. Assistant, right there.
The treasure.
And the troll.
Perfect.
Good job. Here, I'll help you up.
I got it.
You got it? Okay.
Let me get on this bridge.
So one thing that's important is we walked only in areas that we were allowed to walk in, right?
Right.
So you found the troll. Let's see the troll.
Oh, here.
So there he is. Oh, he's got his Norway flag on, and he's got a little hat in case it's cold.
It's cold here.
And then what's that?
The treasure.
It's a jellycat treasure.
Yes, look at. Okay, so it closes. The treasure chest closes, and then it opens up.
Whoa, that is super awesome. So assistant, we explored all of Bergen and we found the troll's treasure with Paw Patrol, right?
Yes. Okay, thanks for watching. Bye.
Thanks for watching. What else should they do?
Like and subscribe. Bye.
Bye everyone.